You're gonna love the 2018 Dodge Challenger. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, active suspension, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. Get into a muscle car that knows both rage and refinement. The Challenger awaits.